Where are Puma shoes made? Have you ever looked at your Puma shoes and wondered, where are these actually made? Today, we're diving deep into the world of Puma's global manufacturing, from the factories in Vietnam and China to the production lines in Indonesia and India. We'll uncover the real story behind where Puma shoes come from, and why it matters to you as a buyer. Let's get started. Country, role in production, reasons for selection. Germany, headquarters in Herzogenaurach, focuses on design and some high-end, specialized models. High-quality craftsmanship, premium development. China, major production hub, significant portion of shoes made here. Cost-effective labor, manufacturing expertise. Vietnam, large-scale production, contributes substantially to output. Skilled workforce, established infrastructure. Cambodia, part of Asian manufacturing network. Expertise in footwear production, cost advantages. Indonesia, key production site, leverages cost-effective labor. Manufacturing expertise, proximity to markets. Bangladesh, produces various sports footwear. Skilled textile and footwear workforce. India, manufactures shoes, benefits from textile industry experience. Experienced labor, cost-effectiveness. Romania, contributes to production, skilled labor in shoe manufacturing. Expertise in the industry, established facilities. Brazil, part of global production chain, caters to Americas. Proximity to market, cost and labor considerations. Italy, produces luxury sneakers under Made in Italy program in Puglia. Premium craftsmanship, high-quality materials. Turkey, recent addition, part of supplier factories. Emerging manufacturing hub, cost and labor factors. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more videos on your favorite shoe brands.